In this video, I will show you how to create this amazing Gantt chart using Microsoft Excel. We have a small data sheet on which I have the list of tasks, start date, duration, the end date is calculated with a very simple formula, and we have another column, person completed. If I change person completed from 25% to let's say 100%, the color of bar is changed and the status automatically changed to complete. So how we can create this amazing chart, I will show you each and everything in this video. Consider we have this data set. The first thing we need to create this helper column, and I will show you one by one formula for each and every column. For the done column, I will simply click on F2, simply type equal, click on E2 which is a percent complete, multiply with total duration, hit enter and simply drag this formula down. For the not done, simply type equal on G2, click on total duration column which is C2, click on F2, hit enter and simply drag this formula down. For the complete and incomplete, I will use a very easy if condition. If open parenthesis, if this value equal to 100%, mean equal to 1, then we want to return the value from end date column. Otherwise, I want to return NA error, open close parenthesis and close parenthesis. For if condition, hit enter. And now I will simply drag this formula down. For incomplete, we need to build the same if condition. If open parenthesis, if this value is less than 1, mean less than 100%, hit comma. In this case, we want to return the value from column D. Otherwise, we want to return NA error, open close parenthesis and close parenthesis. For if condition, hit enter and simply drag this formula down. For the height, I will simply use count A function, open parenthesis, click on A to drag the mouse till all of the data you have, close parenthesis, hit enter. And now click on J3, type equal, click on J2 cell, -1, hit enter and simply drag till the end of the data set. Of course, you can use many other formula for height as well. For the data label, I will show you formula later. Now I will show you how to create chart from start to end. The first thing, I will select column B data set, hold Ctrl key and simply select column J data. Click on insert and we need to insert scatter chart. Next, I will select complete series, hold Ctrl key and simply select the height, hit Ctrl C, click on chart and here you can see paste option and we have paste special option, new series column and also check category X value in first column and simply hit OK. Now I will select incomplete series, hold Ctrl key and simply select column J value, hit Ctrl C, click on chart, paste special, new series column and make sure these two are checked and simply hit OK. Now I will click on chart design and we need to properly rename each series. I will click on first series, click on edit and this series is getting data from B and J. So I will rename this series start date. I will simply remove the name and click on B1 cell, hit OK. Click on another series, click on edit and this series is actually complete series. So I will simply remove J1 reference and click on H1 reference, hit OK. Click on third series, click edit. In this case, I will simply remove J1 and click on I1. Hit OK. Now we properly rename our series. I will simply hit OK. The next thing, I will click on start series, click on this plus button and simply apply the error bar. Click on incomplete series and also apply error bar as well. Next, I will click on vertical error bar and simply hit delete key. Click start date Y error bar and simply hit delete key. Now I will select horizontal series for start date, right click, format error bar. I will choose no cap, scroll a little bit to the bottom side, click on custom specify value. For the positive value, I will select the done column value and for the negative value, I will simply type 0, hit OK. Click on incomplete error bar. For the end style, I will choose no cap, scroll a little bit, click on custom, specify value. For the positive value, I will simply type 0 and for the negative value, I will select not done column. Simply hit OK, and now we need to format these error bar. First, I will select Start Date error bar, click Fill and Line. Here you can see total width. In this case, I will specify 20 point, hit enter. For the color, I will simply select light blue color. And now I will select incomplete error bar, fill and lines. For the width, I will simply type 20 point, hit enter. And for the color, I will choose the light orange color. The next thing, I will select the point of complete series. Here you can see marker option. Expand the marker option. Click on built-in. Simply select the second design. And for the size, I will simply type 20 point. Click on solid fill color. In this case, I will choose a little bit dark blue color. And for the border, I will simply choose no border. Click on incomplete points. Built-in, choose the second design. For the point, simply type 20. Click on solid fill color. In this case, I will select the dark orange color. And for the border, I will simply choose no border. The next thing, we need to apply data label properly. So first, I will select the complete series. Click on plus button, data label, more data label options. Click on label options. In this case, I will simply select series name, uncheck Y value and show leader line. And for the label position, I will choose right side. Click on home, make it bold. Choose a dark blue color, increase the font size a little bit more. Now click on orange data label, click on plus button, apply data label, more data label option, click on label options, value from cell. In this case, I will specify all of the column E values, hit OK, uncheck Y value and show leader line. For the position, I will select right position, click on home. Now simply bold the text, increase the font size a little bit more. And for the color, I will choose the same orange color. Next, I need to show a task name and date here. So we need to create a simple formula for this data label. I will click on K2 cell, simply type equal. Click on A2 and %, type character function which actually insert a line break, character 10 function. And %, type text function, open parenthesis, click on B1 cell, hit comma, and for the format, I will simply type quotation mark again, close parenthesis, hit enter, and now simply drag this formula till the end of the data sheet. Click on this blue dot which actually start date series, click on plus button, data label, more data label options, click on label option, value from cell. In this case, I will simply specify all of the column K values, hit OK, and simply uncheck Y value, and I will simply check lift position. Now I will increase the width of this chart a little bit more. And the last thing, I will simply select start date series, click on format. For the shape fill, I will simply select no fill, and for the shape outline, I will simply select no outline. Now click on chart and simply off the grid line as well. I think we don't need the vertical x-axis. Simply select and hit delete key. I hope you learned something useful. Please subscribe my channel for more video, and if you have any specific question, just write me comment. Thank you so much.